Hi, I'm Trina Shah and I've graduated from Ahmedabad University and I've completed my BCom there. My specialization was in finance and financial services basically. So as far as my converts are concerned, I have converted SPJN, I've converted IMT Ghaziabad, XUB, Symbiosis, and I'm waitlisted in IIM Shillong. Where I'm going finally is SPJN. All I was wanting is to go in an Ivy League college. So the top 10 were my preference. Any day, if I got anything out of these top 10, I would be happy to get into them. So basically, I started in 2018, but I couldn't score as much as I wanted to. And that is when I decided that I'll go for a second attempt. So I had my mentors who were supporting me all throughout this journey. And moreover, there were a lot of ups and downs. So I screwed up my CAT. I had screwed up my NMAT I was less 1 mark for the cutoff. So I did even get calls from Symbiosis and all, but I couldn't get Symbiosis Pune because I again missed out from 0.2 or so percentile. So it was a journey full of ups and downs. Ultimately, it worked out with that. All I can tell about this journey is that it's, you just have to keep going and you'll get through it one day at least. So basically what happens with the modules is that so Endeavour gives us modules that are in phases. So you have Quant module 0, then you have 1, 2, and then you have marathons. So that pretty much helps you throughout the journey. That okay, so now you know that what kind of phase you are in. Is it the testing mode or is it just a practice mode? And even in that, you have the level of difficulties to cope up with. So that helps you to plan your journey and get through it. First of all, the GDPI module was amazing. So it helps you to know the generics of everything. So it's nothing like So everything won't be great there, but then you know the basics of everything before you go to a GDPI, firstly. Secondly, the mocks prepare you really well. So you are prepared for the D-Day, the worst questions possible. And you know that you have brushed up the profile a lot of times because of these mocks, that, it doesn't create a lot of problem in proper interviews. So that is one thing. Secondly, if I talk about my GDPI experience, I remember so in XLRI, this happened to me, that they took my psychometric test. So this is really weird. Nobody has expected this. So as soon as I entered the room, they asked me that, "Acha chalo batao, what is your favorite color?" So from there it started to, if your house is on fire, and what 3 things will you take, and then it will be like what is the first thing you see in the morning, and why did you get late here, and what do you think about your peers, and then it goes back again to your family. So that kind of psychometric test with rapid fire questions of about 15-20 or so. So the problem with XLRI was that my score wasn't that good. So my score was about 95 or 96.4 or so. So the weightage in GDPI is 65% of this ZAT score. So because of that, I think I didn't convert. But then the next candidate who went in, they told them that, she was really good at the psychometrics, so you better work on that or something like that. So yeah. I think if I'm here, it is because of my mentors. So so throughout the journey of 2 years, I had my mentors with me a lot. So as I told you that I didn't score as much in the other exams. It was the mentors who would keep me going, that yeah, it's okay, fine, you can do it, and you can still perform and get through in the other exams, and you can do that well. You have scored well since now, till now, so you can still work on it, get there. So that kind of motivation helps you a lot to get through things. Secondly, when you have a good mentor, they guide you through what you deserve and where you are. So when I attempted my first, when it was my first attempt, and that is when my mentor told me that, think about it. These are not the converts or colleges you would like to probably get into. And that is when you think about it, and they really guide you through all these career things, that it is not only about your studies, but also who you are as a person. So all those things about the mentorship program helped me a lot. The staff at Endeavor is really amazing. It was my second attempt, and I remember the first day, the person who sits on the desk, the admin staff, one of them told me that, you know what, you are going to get through this year and just focus and it will be done. And that happened throughout the year a lot of times. So the staff is really helpful. The first thing is that, you need to keep faith. You can't just so this journey is going to be full of ups and downs. So at times you are going to score great in mocks, and the pretty much the next mock you might score your lowest. So you need to prepare your mind for the best and the worst. Secondly, start analyzing your mocks. So that is one thing that keeps you going. You understand where are you lacking, or where are you doing good. So that is the second thing. And thirdly, just keep going. Don't stop. It will pay off someday. The zeal with which the students would come in to the center every day, practicing, thinking that, it's still not over and we still have to do things. And then there will be the mentors who will be guiding them through that. Koi baat nahi, thoda kam hai to next time ho jayega. Let's see this. You are messing up with this. And that combination of that zeal of those students and the mentors helping you out was something that I'll surely miss. You cannot afford to give up at any point in time. If you have taken that up, it's either you complete it. You complete it. Either you fail or you pass is a different thing. But then you cannot you cannot enroll for something and just give up on something. Okay? So it was your particular choice to go through something. And then, halfway you cannot afford to give up, I think. I would just like to even say that when it comes to Endeavor, you might want to try a kind of counseling, something like that. So there are students who, they face a lot of anxiety and stress when it comes to things like these. So I was one of them. So I know that when my mentor was there, it was very helpful for me to get through those things. So at times I would just sit with my mentor for 15 minutes and I'm done. It's like a dose for a month. So something like that. So to make sure that, something like that works out there would be great.